Okay, welcome to the Allio Report Builder. Basically, this is a brand new functionality in Allio where you can build your own custom reports. And to access it, very easy. Go to Reports, go to Custom Reports, and you'll see a report here. If you don't see one, you'll see a little message saying Create your first report. You can just click New up here. What that does is take you to a page which will have a blank canvas pretty much ready for you to start building your reports with. Now, if I click here, I can edit the report title, give it something that actually means something to me, and we can go from there. Now, basically, if I add a new view, we'll see what we can do with the Allio Report Builder. I've got the access to quotes, jobs, invoices, job service costs, and time entries. We'll be adding new data sets every week. And if you need something, you just request it from us, and we'll make sure we add it in. Now, if I click jobs here, we can have an explore of what we can actually show. Column charts, bar charts, area charts, pivot tables, basic tables, stats, pretty much anything you can think of. So if we go and create a basic table, just as a example, what we can do here is come through and delete everything that's there, and we can start from scratch. So job number, we might want to add in the title, the reference of the job. I'll show you how to update that. We can add in the contact's name, and we might just do something simple like start time and end time. Really simple report, really simple table. If I don't like the title there, I can just change that to reference. If I don't like the order that something is in, I might want the contact's name at the start. So all of this is fully customizable. You can basically do anything you like. I can come in here, I can look at start time. We can look at sorting and reordering it by certain parameters. We can look at adding a filter in. So maybe you only want to see where the start time or the end time was within the last month, for example. And in here we can change the format of the dates. So day, month, year. To change my date formats. I can also change other number formats like to currency and that sort of thing if I've got that report in there. Once I'm happy with it, I can just click save. We can also do some things on the fly, so we can add in local filters. So they could be things like dates if I want to filter things just at this level, or I can add in global filters at the full report level. Just to add something else, we'll have a look at a quote report. We'll have a look at a pie chart where we group by, say, the status. It came up even though I typed it wrong. There we go. And I might want to look at something like the subtotal, so the basic quote value without the tax added. So I can look at that. It's coming through. The number doesn't look quite so good though. So if I come in here, I could look at maybe changing that to something like 2 decimal places, or the one I really like is compact. So 380k, overdue 69k, draft is 51k. So we have then the ability to give this a title, quotes by status, and I can save that there and add that into my report. The report saves automatically, so there's nothing you really need to do. And we can change the layout of this if we need to as well. So what you'll notice if I come down to this next row, I can add a header row, which gives me a header for this specific row. I can then resize these if I want to as well. So make them long or small or whatever I want to do. I can also remove them. So if I only want one there, or if I want a table that spans the entire length, I can do that as well. If I make a mistake and I delete too many things, I can add another cell into the row there. I can add additional rows and have as many as I like. And we can have up to 20 reports in an account as well. So it's pretty cool as we run through. So if I go back to my custom reports now and I click on that job overview report, it takes a second to load. You can see the little 3 dots there, and then we'll get the report ready for us to consume and use at any point in time. If you have any questions on the report builder, please shoot us an email. Otherwise, happy report building.